And just like that, Jamaica's Reggae Girlz have booked their spot in the FIFA Women's World Cup, which is scheduled to be held in 2019. It was after a nerve-wracking penalty shootout which saw Jamaica's Reggae Girlz emerging as victors on a 4-2 penalty shootout scoreline. Jamaica's Reggae Girlz created history today by becoming the first Caribbean team to reach the FIFA Women's World Cup. They did it in dramatic form, just like their Reggae Boy counterparts did in 1998, except that the Reggae Girlz achieved this feat by defeating Panama 4-2 on penalties in their third-place match playoff at the 2018 Concacaf Women's Championship, which was held at the Toyota Stadium in Texas. Both Jamaica and Panama were vying for a first-ever trip to the football's premier tournament. Panama still have a chance to qualify in a two-leg playoff with Argentina, which will be held in November. It was never an easy road to the penalty shootout. Jamaica scored first in the 14th minute. Khadija Shaw, formerly of San Diego High, scored for the Reggae Girlz. Then in the 74th minute, Natalia Mills of Panama equalized. Not long after, Jody Brown of Jamaica increased the total once more to 2-1. In the 115th minute, Lynette Cedeno of Panama put the score level, which carried on into extra time, leading to the subsequent penalty shootout. Well done, ladies. Congratulations to the entire Reggae Girlz team. Special congratulations to Cedella Marley and the Bob Marley and Alacran Foundation. Their financial support helped to make this historic moment possible. Big up again to the Reggae Girlz. Continue to make Jamaica proud.
Big up to the Reggae Girlz. Big up everybody.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.